Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. We're going to get jumping right into our Ipsy versus Ipsy unboxing, but I do apologize for not throwing up last month's bag. It was in between of moving, so I wasn't able to post it, so we're going to get right back into this. I'm going to show you guys what's inside both of these bags, so if you guys want to see what's in each bag, then just keep watching. So as always, you guys know I have all that good stuff linked down below, what it is, how you subscribe for Ipsy, all that good stuff will be in the description box, so make sure to check it out down below if you guys are looking to sign up. So I will say that I did not look at a sneak peek, but I did scroll down, and when I realized it was my Ipsy Glam Bag sneak peek, I stopped, but I got to see what the actual bag was, which is got little lashes on the front, and I will say of all bags that I've ever had from Ipsy, this is by far my favorite bag so far. Whenever I see bags like this in the store, I always gravitate towards stuff like this, so I'm really excited that they did a bag like this because I know for a fact that once we get done with this film, I'm definitely going to be using this to put in my purse. All right, so the very first thing we have in here is this little rose gold box, and this here is by Stephen Laurent, and it is a blush, I believe. I don't know if this is full size. I love this color. Wow. This is such a beautiful color. This is definitely bringing me like fall winter vibes. I'm excited to try this out. This will definitely be in my everyday drawer to play around with. The next thing I have here is this little box, which this is by Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. Oh, it's a bronzer. Oh, that's a little shimmery for my preference. I see this more as a gold eyeshadow. Ooh. If you have a darker skin tone, this may be a good play around as like a highlighter, but more so for anything, I'm going to use this as a shadow. It looks like Wonder Woman. I think it is Wonder Woman. It's the Luxie 140 Detailed Tapered Blender. I love the packaging on this. Have you guys seen the Wonder Woman movie? Let me know what your thoughts are on it down below, but I loved it. I watched it with my daughter. She'd been wanting to see it. We watched it at home, and I fell in love with it. I thought it was such a good movie. So, okay, the next thing I have in here is by IBY, and this here is by City Limits, is like the collection, I think, and it is a Lush eyeshadow in Fire and Ice. Definitely looks like MAC's blue brown pigment. It's nothing new, but I do like the color. I think it's really, really pretty, so that's good. And then the last thing I have in here is really heavy, and this is awesome. This here is the Hemp's Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream. In this one is an all-day moisture. This one here is in blue. I always get the purple one, and it smells so good. And I remember, man, when this stuff originally came out, it was like all the rage, especially if you were at a tanning salon. They swore that using this would help prolong your tanning and all that good stuff. And I was obsessed with the purple one. I had the original. Oh, it's so good. This is the second bag. So the very first thing I think is what I'm getting is a mask. And this here is by BRTC. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's two. Oh, I like this. It is a vitamin C velvet mask, and then they gave me a vitamin F velvet mask. So the blue one is supposed to help with oil and moisture balance. So I feel like this is going to be a little bit more for dry skin. And then this one here is for dull pigmented skin. So my skin. And this is going to help kind of give that flawless, luminous, healthy looking skin. The next thing I have here is this little pencil. It's by Trestique, and this here is a mini lip glaze, and this is in the shade Mumbai Magenta. The next thing we have here is a Winky Luxe Mermaid Kitten palette. Oh my gosh. They're kittens and mermaids, like combined into one. Like the packaging is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. If you guys follow my tutorials here on my channel, you guys know I'm freaking obsessed with purple shadow. And this here is perfection. The next thing I have here, ooh, it is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Obviously this is a sample size, but this is awesome. This is actually a pretty good, decent size. You can get a nice little brush in there and bronze up the skin. I love Benefit Hoola bronzer. Mine's actually starting to break apart on it, so I'm kind of excited for that. And then the last thing I have here is the, I'm going to say this wrong, Douche Cheek Blush. It's not douche. Douche? Because I sure know that that's not how you spell douche. I really like this color though. This is definitely something I would wear in a heartbeat. I don't have any blush on. I just have bronzer and leftover sweat on my face from today. I mean, I don't see a whole lot, but I'm sure it's nice. It's nice. So, all right. So that is everything that I got. Super excited for, obviously, the moisturizer, the Hoola bronzer, and this eyeshadow right here. This purple eyeshadow is by far, it's right up there with how much I'm loving Hoola bronzer. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Make sure to subscribe. And if you guys already have, then thank you so much. And also just make sure to hit that notification bell so that way when I upload a video, you guys get notified. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.